Hello guys, welcome back to the channel and another educational content as always. So guys, you can see there has been a little rebranding on the channel. That is, from now we're going to be focusing on serious trading videos. Okay, so there has been a little rebranding. Okay, so from beginner, intermediate to advanced, that is what we're going to focus on, because we realize that most people don't know how to trade the market well. Okay, so now we're going to be focusing on beginner courses or beginner sections, and we'll be putting them together into a playlist so that if you're a beginner and you are into trading, you can watch them from point 1 to point 2 and understand how trading is. Okay, so in today's video we're going to take our time and go through everything that you are seeing here. Okay, that is what we call TradingView. Okay, what you are seeing here is what we call TradingView, and we're going to take our time and go through. So if you're a beginner or intermediate or advanced, this video is going to help you to learn something and add it to what you already know. Okay, so if you're new here, subscribe to the channel. This is the simplified Forex classroom. That is deep dive. We simplify the complicated. Okay, so as I said earlier on, what you are seeing here is what we call TradingView, and that is what we use to read the market price action. Okay, the market reaction. That is what we use to read. You know, when it comes to trading, we have three major software that we use to trade. The first one is what you are seeing here, and that is what we call TradingView. Okay, the second one is the broker, and my broker that I'm using is SNS, and let me show you. You can see this is the SNS, and my balance is showing there right here. You can see I've just hide it. I don't want people to see. Okay, so the third one is MT5, or the trading platform. That is where we used to enter our trade or place our trades. So as time goes on, we'll go through and I'll show you guys how to link everything together and how the order flow is. Okay, so now what do we do here on the trading video that you're seeing? Okay, so what you are seeing on the screen here is what we call candlesticks, and this is what we use to predict the direction of the market. All right, so the pair you are seeing here is what we call Aussie dollar. As time goes on, I'll show you guys what to trade, what we do trade in the market. So everything you are seeing here is what we call candlesticks. You can see this red line here dropping to the downside, and we can see this green here. Okay, those are what we call candlesticks. If you see the red candle, it means that price is dropping. The price of the commodity or the rate of the commodity is dropping, or the rate of the currency is dropping. If you see the green, that means the rate of the commodity is rising. Okay, or the price of the commodity or the asset is rising. We'll go through this one later on in our subsequent videos. Subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications so that you don't miss any of those videos as well. So when you look at the top here, you can see we have some time here, 15 minutes, 30 minutes up to this W here. This is weekly. Okay, what it means is if I put the cursor on the H4 time frame and I select the H4, that means it took actually 4 hours for one candle here to form, 4 hours for this one to form, 4 hours for this one to form. The same way, if I use this one, the daily, that means in a particular day, that is, it took 1 day for this particular candle to form. Okay, so this is what we call time frame in trading. Okay, the time frame in trading will determine the type of trader you are. Some people use smaller time frame, the 15 minutes and the 30 minutes. What type of trader are you? If you use the smaller time frame, we'll go into that one in our subsequent videos. Okay, so the currency that we trade, or the commodity or the pair that we trade, if you want to change it, it is around this place. That is where we used to change it. Now I am trading Australian dollar, US dollar. Okay, and if you want to change it, you can come to this place, press on that place, it's going to come, and you can type in any commodity or any currency you want to trade. Let's say I'm typing Euro USD, and you can see Euro USD pop up here. You can select it and the chart is going to change. Let's say you want to trade stocks, you can select the stock that you want to trade. You can come here, we have stocks here, and you can see we have Tesla stock, we have Nvidia stock, we have Apple, we have metadata here, we have Amazon, AMD right here. Okay, so every stock that you want to trade, you can use this platform to read the chart and trade. We have funds also here that you can trade. We have futures here you can trade, and we have Forex here you can trade. For us, we are focusing on Forex that deals with currencies, because in Forex, even if you have smaller amount of money, you can be able to trade. $10, $20, $50, you can be able to trade. But for stocks, you need less than $25,000, much more money before you can trade them. Okay, but for us, we are focusing on Forex for now. Okay, so these are the currencies and the Forex that you can trade. You can also come here and see we have crypto here. You know, we have Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, all the cryptos, Solana, all the cryptos. You can also trade them right here on this website, that is TradingView. You can see there's a lot of them. Okay, you glance through, and the one that you want to trade, then you look for it and trade. You can trade gold, you can trade indices, you can trade oil. Anything that you want to trade, just come here and type the name. Let's say you want to trade oil, so just type in US oil and it's gonna come. Then you select the name, you can see crude oil, then you trade it the way you want to trade it. Okay, so this is what we call TradingView. And by default, if you open the account, that is, if you open the website, they will actually tell you to sign up. You sign up with your email, so that anytime you draw your line, that is, you draw every line like this in it, and you close the chart. Anytime you open, you're gonna see that your lines will be in the chart. It will be saved, in your email, because you use your email to sign up. Okay, so the tool that is here that I'm using to draw on the screen, this is basically like a drawing board. Okay, that is where we use to draw our zones, everything to analyze our market. Right, we do everything here on the screen to predict the direction of price. Okay, and mostly if you are trading particular pair or a currency, you can add the currency to, you can come to this place and add the currency to your watch list, this place. Okay, so that the currency will appear here, that this is the currency that I'm focusing on to trade. Okay, that I'll be trading only. You can see I have only 2 currencies that I've just put here on my watch list that I'm watching: GBP USD and AUD USD. So this is how you can add currencies to your watch list, so that it will be easy for you to skip through them if you want to trade. You can change through pairs easy and really quick if you want to analyze or if you want to trade the market AUD USD. So let me go to my pair. Okay, so now if you want to bring any tool on the screen, you can come to this area here. And if you want to bring a trend line, you know, you have trend line. That is what we use to draw the lines on the screen. Like this one that you are seeing here, this is what you call trend line. You can find them here. We have trend line, we have ray, and there's a lot of them. You have to play around this place to know the one that works for you. And you can see the horizontal zone that I used to draw, the channel, the support and resistance zone. That is here. You can see you can press here and then bring it to the screen, so that it will be easy for you to bring it out anytime you want to use it. All right, so that is it right here. And this is the brush tool. You can also use the brush tool to mark out points or key levels in the market, or do whatever you want to do with it. Okay guys, so this is what we call TradingView, and this is how to use TradingView. Okay, now looking at the top here, this is where we have indicators. When we say indicators, it is also a system or strategy that people use to trade. That is the moving averages and RSI, momentum, anything. Anytime you see people using a lot of tools like drawings, design indicators or programs in the software that allow traders or help traders to trade the market. You can come here and any indicator that you want to bring on the screen, you can go through it and then bring on the screen. As time goes on, we are going to go through some of the indicators that you can use to trade the market. We are not going through all of them, because some of them, I don't know how to use it, because I focus on what works. All right, so the one that works for me, I will take my time and take you guys through and how is it. All right, so if you're a beginner, this is how to use this TradingView thing. As time goes on, I'm going to show you how to analyze the market perfectly. So this key level here, this rectangle here, I told you that you can bring them on your screen, so that it will be easy for you to bring them up if you want to use it, and put it there and draw the zone like this. You see how everything is. Okay, so this is where we analyze market, and we use the broker to make the deposit, and we use the MT5 or the trading platform to execute the trade, guys. Okay, so if you want to set alert on the chart, you can set alert on the chart. Let's say price is dropping. Let me show you. The price is rising, and you are anticipating that if price gets into this area, let's say this area, you want to sell, you can set alerts here, so that if price get there, you get alert in your email, or it will pop up on the chart that price has gotten to the zone that you want to sell. So what you do is you put your mouse cursor at that place, and you right click, and you come here, add alert on this currency pair. Okay, so it's gonna come and you create the alert on the pair. Okay, so the moment you create the alert on the pair, it is going to come here look to this place, you want to come here, the alert is going to appear here. Okay, so that is how to set alert also on this page as well. All right, on TradingView as well. So guys, this is basically everything about TradingView, the platform that we use to analyze the market and pick our trades. Okay, follow this page for more educational content.